Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change chart color in Excel. So let's start. So this is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, product name and total amount. Simply select the data, go to the insert tab. In charts group have a column charts option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the column chart those you want. So I select the simply this one. Okay. To change color, you can use a two different way. So simply select the chart, go to the chart design and click on the change colors option. You can see here the different colors available. When you keep cursor on it, see the changes on the chart, the color is changed. After that, just click on it and here you can see the color change. When you click on the chart, you can see here also the chart style color changed. Okay. The second way, just click on the chart styles option. Click on the second tab, the color, and here you can select the different color. So I just select the green one. Okay. And when I click on it, and here you can see in chart design also color changed. Okay. So this is a way you can change the chart color in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.